Hey, my name's Emma, and today we're gonna play the I didn't know I should do that game. And it is cleaning your washing machine. I didn't know I should do that. I have a front load GE washer, and you have to clean the filter on it every now and then. I'm gonna use a plastic knife so I don't scratch anything, and I'm just going to pop it off. And I have a towel underneath because water is going to come out. And it just came off without having to use the knife. All right, so this is a little tube, and there is a twist, and water is coming out, so I do have a towel down. And here's the filter. It is pretty gross. Like I said, we have 3 dogs, and I have a 10-year-old child. So this is nasty. I'm gonna clean it. I'm glad I did this. Yay! All right, I rinsed it off in the sink. I wiped out the little channel area, and I'm gonna pop it back in. Boom. I'm going to close the little door, and I'm going to pop this door back on. Bam. And that's it.